breaking the wall of sustainable green hydrogen. Heiner Camacho, Falling Walls Lab, Seoul.
Hello. In 2019, the world produced an amount of 52 billion tons of CO2 and allocated into the atmosphere. At the same time, the world population was 8 billion people. So think about this data. It's about 6.5 metric tons per person in the world. So for figuring out how the production of CO2 is in this moment, at the end of this presentation, the world will produce an amount of 300,000 metric cubes of CO2 and will allocate it into the atmosphere. But why is this happening? Well, the answer is very simple. The industry in the world from the beginning in the 18th century was mainly based from the fossil fuels. Up to today, we are just using coal, diesel, gasoline, and all sorts of derivatives from the petroleum. Fortunately, currently the governments are engaged with the technology transition from fossil fuel technologies to the green or clean technologies. Let's go with the next one. My proposal for the green hydrogen sustainability is to start a process, a framework to collect, to harness the energy collected in the waves, in the tides, all around the world. We can collect the wave power or the tide power from the oceans, from the rivers, and from the lakes. The framework that I'm proposing here is a wave collector. It's a device with a shape of the pipe or the tube, where inside there is a collector, indeed there are alternators, that will collect the power of the waves when they pass through the tube. This energy will convert it in electric energy, and we are going to use this electric energy to power the electrolyzer process. This is the key part of the framework, because producing hydrogen requires a large amount of energy in the electrolyzers process. So we are going to provide the clean energy from the wave and tide power. Once we provide the energy for the electrolyzer, we are going to pump water from the source where we are working in the collector. So the raw material in this process is water, clean water from the source. And once we collect the water and we process the water in the electrolyzer, we are going to divide water molecules in hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen will be the waste of this process and will be allocated into the atmosphere. So this is the process that we are presenting here for collecting and creating new clean energy for hydrogen. Thank you.